Hello, welcome back. This is project number 2 with the Spooky Treats September 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So I've got my black drawer or box. I've got the sleeve and I've got banner for the greeting that says enjoy this spooky treat. I've got the spider web and I've got the ghost. So let's go ahead and make up the box. And just like with the previous video, you're going to fold all of the outside flaps back on themselves. Just along that score line. That one didn't fold very clearly. There we go. And then fold them back. All of the other ones fold in on themselves. You can use a bone folder to do this if you want to. It's not really necessary. They fold really nicely. So I'm just folding all of those tabs kind of in on themselves. And again, to make the box, we're going to fold the sides in and down. So this is folded in. I don't think that doesn't show it very well, but there we go. And then we're going to take the short side. It's got the little slot in it to receive the other side, and we're going to fold that down like that. Then we're going to bring this side up and over, tuck it down, and then press this down until that notch goes into the slot, and there is our sleeve built. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to stamp enjoy this spooky treat on top of the banner. So I'm just going to ink that up really well, give it a bit more, and pop that down. There we go. Okay, let's take that out of the way. And the instructions tell us to build this that we need to put dimensionals on the back of the ghost and the back of the greeting, but just on one side of the greeting. And we need adhesive dots on the spider web. So we're going to pop the adhesive dots down. And then, oops, we will do this, and we'll just take those off. And this, it's a little difficult on this one to tell where we are, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold the flaps on this one on the score lines, and we know that this now is the area we're working with. So I'm going to take the spider web and I'm going to pop it down, I think like this. I'm going to pop it down right there. Then I'm going to put the dimensionals on the back of the greeting, and they go on the outside edge of the greeting because it overlaps the ghost, and the ghost is also dimensionalized. So we've only got them on this half. So we're going to pop some dimensionals on the back of the ghost. Then we're going to stick the ghost down. That's our next layer to put down. Come on. These ones, this set of dimensionals are really, don't like to give up their packaging or their protective surface there. Come on. There we go. Okay, so we're going to put this down, overlapping the spider web. And then we're going to take these like this, and we're going to overlap the ghost with the spooky treat. And then we need to put some stars on. We're going to put one large star up at the top here, and then we're going to put a small star over here and a small star at the bottom like that. And before we fold this up, we need to put some tear tape just along the edge of that score line, just like that. And then we can peel the backing off. Then we can take our sleeve and fold it around the box, and then just pop this down like that. And there we have our second project in the Spooky Treats September 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for the third project and an alternate.